My name is Chad Lodol, and I am from Seattle, Washington. I come with my wife and my son every year. At the beach, it's nice and relaxing. We usually just let the waves hit us here in front of the resort. If we go to swim, we walk down the beach a little bit just for my son. Well, the highlight for my vacation is always water volleyball. And same with my son, and then my wife enjoys watching me go underwater. I think a must visit is the activities they have for kids. That's the whole reason we keep coming back and not going to other resorts, is because my son loves it here and he always has fun. Right now I think they're great. I can't wait to see when they're finished. Unfortunately we won't be here next year, but the following year everything will be nice and done, so I can't wait to see what we expect.